Good morning and welcome to Thursday Maths. I've got the day right today. Right now, so our maths challenge today is to do some measuring. I would like you to find out who the people in your house, how tall they are, and who is the tallest and who is the shortest. Now, I'd love you to draw a picture. I've drawn a picture of my James, Mr. Wilson, and Mrs. Wilson. Shall I bring it a bit nearer so you can see it? Mr. Wilson wasn't impressed. Now, I've drawn them in order so I can see, just looking at my picture, who's the tallest. Which one is it? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Yes, James is the tallest in my family and I'm the shortest. Right, okay. Now, oh, there's somebody else out here, look, as well. You might have animals in your family that you might want to join in. I've drawn a picture of Charlie and my 2 guinea pigs. Now, you can see the way I've drawn my picture. Who is the tallest? And who is the shortest? Now, I'm going to leave that there like that. I'm going to put that back because it's going to hang off and annoy me. Now, I measured the people in my house in 2 different ways. One way was using a tape measure because I'm very lucky because I've got a tape measure in that house. Okay, so I found out that James was 185 centimetres. That's a lot, isn't it? Mr. Wilson was 176 centimetres. Mrs. Wilson was 166 centimetres. And Darcy, the guinea pig, was only 12 centimetres. So I know that Darcy is the shortest and James is the tallest. Now, you don't all have these at home, so you have to think of a way, like Mrs. Wood said before about a standardised measurement, of using something that's the same to measure somebody. So I used my feet. So I got Mr. Wilson and James to lie on the floor. And on the floor, I can't show you what on the floor, but I put my toes to my toes and I walked like that on the floor from their feet to their head and I counted how many it took. Okay, so it says here 9 AW feet, that means Mrs. Wilson's feet. Okay, so James was 9 Mrs. Wilson's feet, Mr. Wilson was 8 Mrs. Wilson's feet, and Mrs. Wilson was 7 Mrs. Wilson's feet. Now, it's very tricky to measure yourself. So I lay down on the floor and James put a book at my toes and a book at my head and I got off the floor and I did my walking and I measured because I can't use somebody else's feet, otherwise it wouldn't be standardised, would it? Now, Darcy was too small to be any of my feet, but Charlie was 2 of my feet high. He's quite a big pussycat. Now, I would love to see your pictures and don't forget to find something that you can use as a standardised measure. You can use your feet like I did, or you could use a DVD case or a book, or if something that you've got lots of. You could even use baked bean tins if you had enough. Okay, have fun measuring. Can't wait to see your pictures. Bye.